Welcome to today's video title, Easy and Simple Step-by-Step Guide on How to Establishing a Plant Nursery Near Your Location. First, establishing a plant nursery near your location involves careful planning, consideration of local regulations, and creating a business strategy that aligns with your goals. Here are 5 steps to help you establish a plant nursery. 1. Market research and location selection. Conduct thorough market research to understand the demand for plants in your area, including popular species, gardening trends, and customer preferences. Identify potential locations for your nursery, considering factors such as proximity to major roads, accessibility, visibility, and zoning regulations. Choose a site with ample space for plant displays, growing areas, parking, and future expansion. 2. Business planning and legal considerations. Develop a detailed business plan outlining your nursery's goals, target market, products, pricing strategy, marketing approach, and financial projections. Obtain necessary permits and licenses required to operate a plant nursery in your area. This may include business licenses, sales tax permits, and agricultural permits. Consult with legal and financial advisors to ensure compliance with local regulations and to protect your business interests. 3. Infrastructure and facilities. Set up the necessary infrastructure and facilities to support your nursery operations. This may include greenhouse structures, shade houses, irrigation systems, potting areas, and storage facilities. Invest in quality equipment and tools for plant propagation, potting, and maintenance, such as seedling trays, potting soil, fertilizers, and watering systems. Create attractive displays and signage to showcase your plants and create a welcoming environment for customers. 4. Plant selection and inventory management. Choose a diverse selection of plants to offer customers, including popular garden favorites, native species, landscaping plants, and specialty varieties. Source plants from reputable wholesale suppliers, local growers, or propagate them yourself from seeds, cuttings, or divisions. Implement effective inventory management practices to track plant stock levels, monitor plant health, and ensure availability of desired species and sizes. 5. Marketing and customer relations. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your nursery and attract customers. This may include creating a website, establishing a presence on social media platforms, and advertising in local publications or garden-related events. Build relationships with local landscapers, garden clubs, community organizations, and other potential customers through networking and outreach efforts. Provide excellent customer service by offering knowledgeable advice, maintaining high-quality plants, and fostering a welcoming and engaging shopping experience for visitors. By following these steps and adapting them to your specific circumstances, you can establish a successful plant nursery near your location and contribute to the local gardening community. If you find this video very informative, please share and give me thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are just joining us for the first time, and to turn on your notification bell icon for more interesting video about vegetables and garden.